Welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today and we are going to talk about guys how can we solve guys screen color problem. As you can see guys, your phone screen color is different. So guys, how can you solve this problem? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video, and first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, now let's see guys how can we solve this color problem. So guys, we call it guys color correction problem. And friends, now let's see how to solve color correction problem. Open your phone setting guys, then guys scroll it. Once you can see this type of setting, guys click on guys your phone system setting guys, tap here guys system setting guys. So once you can see guys your accessibility setting guys, tap here, then guys click on this vision setting guys. Then guys you can see guys this display setting guys, you can see this second option color correction guys, tap here. Once you can see right side this icon guys, you will have to only click on this icon, then guys this problem will solve in your realme phone. Then guys come back. Once you can see guys this problem has solved in realme phone, means color correction problem has solved. So guys you can see your screen color, phone color, everything is fine in your phone. So like that guy, we can solve color correction problem in realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.